Hello everyone, welcome to the Marius Blender YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to use geometry node to make this donut. And we'll start by adding a new geometry node tree. And I'll delete this input. Now there's nothing in our 3D viewport. Hit A to open this menu. In search for circle. Duplicate it. 20, and this will be about 10. So set it to a default value of about 0.5, and this will be our donut base. By setting the value before you plug it into the group input node, it will automatically set it as a default value, and it saves time. Then we'll search for curve to mesh. Plug the one with bigger radius into curve and the smaller radius to curve profile. I'll add a set material. Node here. Plug it in to the node group input. Control G to group them. Okay, then we'll do the icing. Again, Shift A. Get a drawing geometry. There. Set the density to about 200. Now we'll get a delete geometry. Position node and separate YZ to get the Z value out of it. It floats. Tuck the Z into the this will be the height of the icing. And I get a point volume. Then about 0.01 the input to a volume to make. There we go with our icing. You can control its thickness. Okay. put it into a group. G group. I'll give it a set video. We have our icing complete. Now I'll move on to the candies that are scattered on the icing. Just remove the icing. Distribute on the base. Then we get instance this on get myself a cylinder. Watch this. Ooh, I would say this one. Now all of the candies are pointing upwards. So for the factory, station to the rotation, normal to vector, and set y to x. Also, bend down the vertices about 20 to save some performance. Hey, instantly. Time like z rotation random value only put in 5. Here, put they can rotate very smoothly. Lastly, we build a set material to put the material into our node. Now we group it to the arrangement nicely. This the geometry node part. May also give control to the radius and the length of the candies. Now it will be convenient that we can access this material here rather than just going to the geometry node tree to append the material. Make yourself 3 new materials. Name the first one red. It's icing. Third one is handy. First, we'll deal with the red material here. I will get myself a diffuse BSDF, white noise, value, about 7, 8, turn up the roughness. You have node wrangler on. C is here on displacement. Dots. Right. Let's go to 0.01. It's one. You see some standards of detail, like subtle detail, but not too much. This will be the red. Now we go to the second material, again delete it. Icing. Red. 2. Yeah. Alright. This is a node wrangler function. GB. A nice pink. Endings of the people. Random field. feels yes, dear. Yeah. So we have our tasty donut. This is procedural. You can make it less icing, no icing, or the whole thing can be covered with icing. The thickness of icing is that your donut is density of the candies, speed of candies, region, radius of it, and the length. I've already put the file on Gumroad for free, and you can download it via the link down in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.